I'm Wes. This is Amanda. We did level 2. This is on Saturday. It was a really good class, by the way. I appreciate y'all's work. So we started with a roll in. We did it with 1, 2, 3, and so I said, "Oh, didn't I?" No, sure. I don't have to tell you that. One, that Carol, how that works sometimes. 2, 3, and 4. Now we did a roll in. I'm going to go 1, fret 2. I'm going to roll in. She's going to take tight steps. I'm still going to triple down the line. 3 and 4, just very small. Okay, I'm going to let her out 5 and 6. She goes out because I didn't stop her from going out. Okay, so we did that. We started with a 1, fret 2, turn 3, let her out 5 and 6. And notice how far through she is coming. On 4, she's coming all the way through until I stop her, and I'm stopping her after her right side is forward through, finishing 5 and 6. So then we did this walk back thing over here. So then we stopped her on 4. We went 1, fret 2, turn 3 and 4, and then I'm going to step to my right foot, bringing her back because I've got her. I'm going to bring her back, start her momentum that way, raise my elbow up, she'll continue, but that she's got to work under that arm, right? So ladies, just get used to that, right? We're going to go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and notch really nice. Okay? And then we did a opening up on and 5. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Notice that my foot is between hers. I'm all set about a half a body. I'm gonna scroll by her. I didn't say this to you guys, but you could always sweep back and around to your right rather than just stepping back. But I'm gonna step back. I'm gonna drape her head, which means I gotta take this straight to her. If I take it here, she'll rotate. If I take it here, she'll rotate. So I got to take this straight to her head. 6, stepping away now, sliding down. 7, 8. So she moves away when she realizes that I'm an anchor. I'm expecting her to anchor away and connect, or connect away. She does. That's when she moves, when she realizes that. Okay. One time without stopping. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Not sure that's. Did we do 2 other things? We did, I think, did we? No, that was number 2. We did one more. We did this one. We went 1, I'm sorry. We did 2 hands. We went 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm stepping across on 4. I did 4 walks. She did 2 walks and a triple. So I'm going to stay close to her. I'm going to let her get in front of me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now I'm going to release this hand, but she is way forward to her right side because I let her. I'm going to step out of the way, and my shift in my weight is going to bring her back into a waist catch. Okay? One more time. Let's hit this. Right. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Then we just spun her forward. 6, 7 and 8, 9 and 10. That's not what we really did though. We went 1, 2, 3 and 4, hold 5 and 6, hold 7, 8, triple anchor. That's what we really did, guys. Okay, super. Actually, we did both, but that's what I prefer you work on. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great time. So this weekend, remember tonight, Bobby has a country western party tonight. He generally allows swing after late in the night if it dissipates, and so feel free to support that and come see that. You'll have a class. Carl and Bobby for a great party. Soon as